I spent all my money in vain. I tried every doctor, but the answer's the same. They tell me that I'm dying, and there just ain't no use for me to keep on trying. They've done all they can do, all they can do. Well, I've heard talk about a miracle man. They say that he can heal with a touch of his hand. He's passing through this city. Jesus is his name. I believe if I could touch him, I'd be whole again.